How to fix the auto shutdown or restart problem in your Windows. Hello everyone and let's get started. If your Windows is automatically shutting down or restarting, then there could be three major issues. The first one is laptop overheating, the second one is high CPU and RAM usage, and the third one could be Windows issues. So if this is the case, here are some of the solutions that you can try. So the first one could be running the DISM and SFC scan now command. So for that you have to copy the command and then open command prompt. Make sure to run it as administrator. After that you just have to paste the command on the command prompt. This way it will start scanning for any DISM problems and restore it. To check for the corrupted files, also make sure to run the second command, which is sfc/scan now. So once this is done, the other solution that you can opt for is open the run command and then open power cfg.cpl. Now from here you have the option to close or turn off the auto restart. This can also help to solve the problem. Similarly, the third solution that you can opt for is open the task manager and make sure to restore or close any of such heavy application that is creating an issue. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.